Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're going to set this up fast. Sign into the same Spotify account on phone A first, then phone B. Once done, make sure both apps are updated and that you know your password or linked Facebook/Google method. You should disable automatic downloads on the second phone to save space. Use the primary device for heavy offline content. This prevents sync conflicts and preserves offline slots. Now move to managing playback and offline settings on each device. Now you'll adjust how playback and downloads behave. On the phone you'll use less, turn off downloads, and avoid enabling offline mode unless you need specific tracks. You can download playlists on one device and stream on the other. Spotify limits offline device slots, so keep one phone as the download hub. Also, make sure Spotify Connect is enabled so you can switch active playback between phones without logging out. This reduces interruptions and keeps your finish by testing. Play on phone A, then use Spotify Connect to switch to phone B. You should not be logged out automatically. If you see frequent logouts, go to Account Settings and remove other active sessions, then sign back into both phones. If problems persist, reset your password and reinstall the app on both devices to clear cached auth tokens. One key tip: if playback keeps jumping, check for multiple simultaneous streams on different networks, and stop playback on the inactive device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.